Gusto ko.
Hello, listeners. PFN Solo please.
Philippine alphabet history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, rocking point from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Capote, Malabon, Las Peñas, Paranaque. From the north, Batanes, Apare, Ilocos Sur, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Agra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon. And we add 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayas shore, Timos for fish, sugar, coconut, and corn. Ay, 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 ay. Sibong, Mactan, Mandawi, ay, 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 ay. Bukol sa Malite, ay, 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 ay. Elo, Kapit, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambua, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, and the 3 provinces of Davao Sur, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi, ay, 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 Elephant, Pasagas, History, ay, 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 Manila is the capital city, ay, 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 authorities are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country.